Oh man, today is going to be a very, very busy errand running day. Good morning, guys. Good morning, APs. How you doing today? Yeah, so I just got done editing vlog. It's like not even 8 o'clock yet, and so I got that done so I can get out of the way. Then I have to I'm gonna go work out and I have to do a whole bunch of running. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to get a shower. Come home and get a shower because I think I'll be wasting time. Then I gotta wash clothes and pack. Why did I wait till the last minute? I had all week to do this and I didn't do it. Fane.
Oh my god.
If George is on his, should be his too.
Oh gee. Thanks, Charlotte.
Go! I didn't want to start good.
Check out the sweat angel. Yeah, my butt right here. Looks like 2 pair of lungs. Oh my gosh. I can't lift my arm. That sucks. Have you guys ever listened to, what is her name? Oh my gosh. I didn't know she was a rapper. I watched Chelsea Lately last night with Lindsay, and I did not know she was a rapper. Her name is Iggy Azalea. I know she has the song Fancy, and it's pretty awesome, but I downloaded her whole album, and it's legit. I didn't know she was a rapper. That is nuts. I would have never guessed in a million years she was a rapper, but she is sick. So yeah, make sure you check her out if you like rap music, because it's legit. And Fancy, today's gonna be a good day. Things are starting to look up. Things are starting to look up today. I know it started off crappy, but it's not how you start, it's how you finish.
Just stop thinking about it. You can know I did. Don't try me, man. You know I will. Throw this brick through your windshield. Like you're nice and over with the
sick. I'm almost done with all my errands. I got like 2 more, and the main ones are to get a rat from my snake and to go pack. Right now, I am at my old internship, chilling with the guys. About to go home and start cleaning and packing. So I was supposed to do this like last week, and I never did. Fane and procrastination go hand in hand. What a nice day though, right? What a nice day. Time to start putting all my stuff away. Start packing and stuff like that. Not in the mood to do this at all. You ready, Aries? No? See, he's leaving too. So I'm cleaning out my closet. I'm cleaning out like some of the drawers and stuff. And look how these pants. They're 3X pants. Like what the crap? This is like this is the school I went to first to play my football scholarship. And yeah. Freaking 3X sweatpants, because they were comfortable. Don't get me wrong, they're comfortable, but hold on, let me see how big these things are. Actually not that big. Oh no, they are. Like look, they're kind of dirty, but they're like, the crotch is super big. And yeah, these things are huge. I just thought they were comfortable. Get to go to a Japanese steakhouse for my last dinner with the family in the house. Never been here before, but I always hear stuff about it. So good. Looks so good.
I got family here. I've been living here off and on since I was 17. Medium rare. I want mine well done.
Looks so good.
One of it is oil, the other is vodka.
Ooh, very nice. I like swimming and stuff like that, but snorkeling always freaks me out because I always put my hand in the water. I get water in the tube or something like that, so I like scuba diving better whenever I can do it. Well, check this out. Someone invented this revolutionary snorkeling mask, which I want to buy right now. Check this thing out right here. Look at that. How cool is that? I would definitely rock one of those. Here's the specs on it right here. Fog resistant. 180 degrees worth of view. And then this is the best part. It can go submerged and water will not come into the thing. It prevents water from entering. The crazy thing is right here, you actually can breathe through your mouth and nose. So it's not like you have to hold your breath or freak out when you can't breathe through your nose. 'Cause everyone breathes through their nose, I feel like. Only bad part about it is I think it's only offered in like Europe and stuff like that. So you guys that are watching that are in Europe, you guys are still lucky because I'll be on one right now.
My discretion is not what I used to. Just wanna try you on. I'm carry as for you. Caught my attention. I kissed a girl I did. Taste of her cherry chapstick. I kissed a girl just to try it. Hope my
Boyfriend, don't mind it. Guys, I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna take you guys, I'm gonna transfer you guys to this camera right here. And yeah. Oh man. Alright, I know the audio is kind of different and stuff like that, but hey, we gotta get you guys fixed before VidCon, right? So apparently it's gonna take about 2 weeks. So you guys might be gone for a little bit. Your outfit might be gone for a little bit. Injured Daryl. Wow, I didn't even know they had that one. That's cool. What do they have over here? Alright guys, I'm about to finish packing and stuff, and I'm just gonna go to sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys had a great day. Today was a good day. I enjoyed it a lot. And I get to graduate tomorrow, so that should be fun. But one thing I ordered in the mail was supposed to be here today. It's probably not gonna get to tomorrow. It's gonna be really late, and I'm really pissed off because it was gonna be clutch. But I have another idea for it. So you guys might see that next week or the week after. So anyway guys, I'm a little disappointed in that, but I'm graduating tomorrow, so I can't really be too upset. And I just want to say, I'll see you guys later. I love you, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. Okay, bye. Good night, guys.
Drop it low, let me play that.